Most people don't stay broke because they don't make too little money. They stay broke because of hidden money mistakes that quietly kill their chances of getting rich. The worst part? You might be making them right now without even realizing. In this video, we'll uncover the biggest money mistakes that keep people stuck and how you can break free starting today. Welcome to Money Matrix, the channel where we break down money myths and show you how to build real wealth. Today, I'll walk you through the most common financial mistakes, why they're dangerous, and the exact steps to avoid them. These mistakes are the difference between staying stuck and finally building financial freedom. Mistake number 1. Living without a budget. If you don't tell your money where to go, it will disappear before you know it. Many people rely on mental math or just wing it, and that's a recipe for staying broke. A budget isn't about restriction, it's about control. Without it, you'll never know where your money leaks are. Solution: start with a simple 50-30-20 rule. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings or debt payoff. Mistake number 2. Carrying high interest debt. Credit cards and payday loans might feel like quick solutions, but they're wealth killers. A $1,000 balance at 20% interest can take years to pay off if you only make minimum payments. This mistake alone keeps millions stuck in financial chains. Solution: use the avalanche method. Pay off the debt with the highest interest rate first, while making minimum payments on the rest. Mistake number 3. Lifestyle creep. Every time you earn more, do you immediately upgrade your lifestyle? A nicer car, a bigger apartment, and expensive clothes. That's lifestyle creep. Your expenses rise as fast as your income, keeping you stuck on the same treadmill. Solution: when you receive a raise, lock in your lifestyle for 1 to 2 years and allocate the extra income to savings or investments. Mistake number 4. Delaying investing. One of the biggest mistakes is waiting until you make more money to invest. Time is your greatest weapon. If you start at 25, investing just $200 a month, you could retire a millionaire. Wait until 40, and you'd need 3 times as much to catch up. Solution: start small, even $50 a month, into a low-cost index fund. Mistake number 5. Ignoring emergency savings. Many people skip building an emergency fund, thinking they'll figure it out later. But when life hits medical bills, car repairs, job loss, you're forced into debt. Without a cushion, one emergency can erase years of progress. Solution: build a starter emergency fund of $1,000. Then aim for 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Mistake number 6. Not increasing income. Cutting expenses is powerful, but there's a limit to how much you can cut. The biggest wealth mistake: not focusing on growing your income. Whether it's learning a new skill, starting a side hustle, or investing in your career, earning more unlocks true financial freedom. Let's recap the biggest money mistakes stopping you from getting rich. Number 1. Living without a budget. Number 2. Carrying high-interest debt. Number 3. Lifestyle creep. Number 4. Delaying investing. Number 5. Ignoring emergency savings. And last is not increasing income. Avoiding these mistakes isn't just about saving money. It's about building a path to wealth and freedom. If this video helped you spot a money mistake you've been making, hit that like button, share it with a friend who needs to hear it, and subscribe to Money Matrix for more strategies to grow your wealth. Remember, your financial future depends on the choices you make today.